to this Lucky Ducky game. It's the Wacky Quacky color matching game. So this game is technically there's ducks, and then you have to like pick out ducks, and once you get 3 of them and 3 of the same ducks, you win. So here's the back, and here's the front. So now, without further ado, let's get unboxing. So with this comes some stickers so you can put on the ducks, the shapes and stuff, and eyes. The platform comes. If you press this, that's when it turns or something. Batteries go and ducks come. So now let's quickly put in the batteries. You press this button, this starts to move and crackers come out. So let's see now. So now let's open up these duckies. So now let's put in the stickers. So we're only gonna put in the stickers on the duckies, not the eyes right now. So let's put that there. That's a circle team. Star team. Okay. The triangle team. And the square team. Muaz, no. Muaz made all the duckies lay down. So, I'm sleeping. Muaz, we need to put stickers on duckies. Muaz, another ducky? Give me another. Thank you. Muaz, in this game you have to pick up a duck and pretend you aren't the circle player. You have to put it back, and then yeah, it just mixes up a little. So Muaz, what team do you want to be in? What team? No, which one? You want to be a circle? I'll be square. Ready? You go first. Press. Tell me stop. Muaz, choose one. Oh no, choose one ducky. Choose a ducky. Choose a ducky. So he got a triangle. He has to put it back in now. Oh no. So since his color is my turn. This. Square. Yes. I got one duck. Watch your turn. No, that's a star. My turn. Circle. Oh no. Go. Muaz saw the circle and he just took it. No, put it down. No. Muaz, keep it. This is yours. My turn. Ready? And this one. Triangle. Uh-oh. Muaz, your turn. Star. Muaz. No. Triangle. Oh no. Yeah. No, that's a star. This. Star. Put it down. Muaz, your turn. Go, Muaz. No. Muaz, no. So you got 2 circles. Muaz has 2 circles. So Muaz, go again. Go. It's your turn. What is that? It's a triangle. My turn. Let's see. This one. I won! So now I won the game. Uh-oh. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like this video and please watch our other videos. Bye!